This is what you look like after 4 days of building in the woods with a ton of students at Tiny House Summer Camp. We're having it next year, 2024. Details down below to sign up. Lots of hands-on building, live demos, guest speakers, and all that jazz. Let me show you one thing. This is a little journalistic quick tip on something we built at camp that was kind of clever. Raining today, but a beautiful locale. So many camps, cabins, tree houses hidden in the woods. We are big on repurposing, salvaging. So let me explain this. This was scrap plywood from a dumpster, from a house built. I had permission to grab a ton of it. We've used it for so many things. It was an example in box building, using a Craig jig, a couple other things. This is a former coffee table that was salvaged, used for about 15 years in my home, that I built a new top for. And this is salvaged from the side of the road, as are all these windows. You can see we have a lot of trim and things to do, but this is a bunk bed ladder that we reinforced. So most of this stuff was free. We stacked these, they serve as steps and hinged as storage. Here, here, here. Just taking stuff I found, stacked it, making it structurally sound. And this is a step here, because this bunk bed ladder, and this is something Paulo Coleman, one of our builders, and Dustin Diedrichsen, my brother, yes, same last name, more than a coincidence, they came up with. I knew I wanted to use this. I said, come up with a concept that beefs it up, lifts it in the air, and this is what they did. One of God knows how many projects we worked on the last 3-4 days. Kind of funky, kind of cool, here in a cabin that we've been working on called the Rock Hill. So come join us, even if you end up looking as filthy as me. Camp in the woods, build alongside some great people, network, make some friends. Tiny House Summer Camp 2024. We're building so much stuff. We got like 11 cabins in the woods. One's a giant troll head we're going to work on and finish, do some roofing, interior work. It's always a lot of fun. We'll see you hopefully next September. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and we will see you later. Off to shower. If you made it this far, be sure to comment, subscribe, and check out my book, Micro Living, and the details below.